In this tutorial, I'll show you how to change your profile picture in Google Chrome. Whether you want to use a new photo or a different avatar, this only takes a few minutes. First, open Google Chrome and make sure you're signed in to the Google account you want to update. Click your profile picture in the top right corner of the browser, then select Manage your Google account. In your Google account, click your current profile picture at the top of the page. Select Change or Upload Photo. You can choose an existing photo, upload a new one from your computer, or select an image from your Google Photos if available. After choosing your picture, crop or adjust it if needed, then click Save as Profile Picture. Wait a few moments for the changes to sync. Your new profile picture will appear in Google Chrome and across other Google services where you're signed in. If the picture doesn't update immediately, restart Chrome or sign out and sign back into your Google account. That's how to change your profile picture in Google Chrome. Thanks for watching.